All right, cool. This is BJ from the 478. And today we're gonna it's Muffler Delete Monday. So Monday's my only day off where I can do just a smidget of some stuff I'll need to take care of. But today I'm getting rid of the mid mufflers. I'm gonna go down to Macon Muffler and see Mr. Eddie. And let's get a before and then I'm gonna do an after. This is a cold start. So. Together, shoot another video, and then check and see what it sounds like after the fact. All right, hey, we're at the muffler shop. We're at Macon Muffler in Macon, Georgia, and Mr. Ed is gonna go ahead and hit these mid mufflers off of here, and then we're gonna see what it does. Hopefully, we'll get a better sound than what we got going on now, but we shall see. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get a comparison of what the mid muffler delete actually sounds like. But before we do that, let's take a sneak peek of what we got going on under here. You see, deleted the mufflers, cut the mufflers out, and then made some couplers and welded the pipes back in. So Mr. Eddie does great work. He's a great welder and a very knowledgeable person when it comes to these exhausts. So, like I said, he's at Macon Muffler in Macon, Georgia. Google it. His reviews are 100. So let's get this thing started, and then you let me know. Hey, look, A, I like the way it sounds a little bit better in the beginning. B, this is where it's at, and let me know. But no. It actually sounds pretty mild, just like it does factory with the mufflers on it until you really get in it. But cold start sounds amazing. You can, once you stomp it a little bit, you feel a little pep. You know what it does, and you'll turn a couple heads in, But most definitely, the first mod you come across on your vehicle when you're dealing with some exhaust work is a mid muffler delete. Stand by it. As long as you get it done right, go to a professional, somebody that does that for a living. But yeah, like I said, thumbs up to Mr. Eddie. He's off Vineville in Macon, Georgia. And man, he does all my cars, and I stand by that man. I wish him best of all businesses. And hey, look, you like this video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And this is my first mod on my 2020 Dodge Challenger ScatPack 392 RT. And it's gonna be plenty more wheels. Just got ordered. Mr. Maurice Kirkland down at Prestige Auto Accessories in Macon, Georgia. Thank you, sir. We're gonna get those Forgiatos on and get them made and get them on this thing. Stay tuned. I got more videos coming. I'll give you listings and postings about what I'm doing as I'm doing it. And hey, look, hopefully this will be one of the meanest ones out there. We shall see. Thank you for tuning in. All right.